Hello. This is the Dyson Multi-Floor 2 Vacuum Cleaner with the Stair Tool. Stair Tool lifts carpet pile without sticking and captures hairs with velour strips. I will now show you how to fit this stair tool to Dyson and how it does the job. To put an attachment on your vacuum, press the red button near the base of the handle to release it and turn it into a handheld wand. Connect the hose to the top of the handle and slide your attachment into the opening at the other end of the wand. Now the stair tool is ready for use. Press the power button to turn on the vacuum and you can see how easy it is to use this stair tool. It cleans very good and require less strain on the hand compared to other traditional vacuum where you have to lift the whole vacuum and move it along each step. With Dyson's powerful suction, it pulls out the dust and other tiny particles very effectively. Up and down motion and you see it clean pretty good. When you are done with the job, simply press the button to release the tool from the handle and put it back with ease. This simple and easy-to-use feature in Dyson vacuum is what sets it apart from other vacuum, not to mention Dyson's single-W powerful suction, which is superior compared to most other vacuum cleaners. There are other ways to connect the tool to Dyson if you like. For quality, power and one of the best air filtration systems, the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 is one of the best vacuums for hardwood floors and works just as well on most carpets. It's well designed and so easy to use. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty and one of the most well-respected brand names in the industry. What's exciting about the Big Ball is that as well as not having a bag, it also doesn't require filter cleaning replacing, and purportedly never loses suction. Overall, the Dyson Multi-Floor 2 is an excellent option if you're looking for a powerful upright vacuum cleaner. It's a little lighter than comparable models and is designed to